Hello and welcome back to the Scalability Pro review, and we're going to be talking about the second section of this course. We're going to be talking about setting the stage setting in your business, which meaning let's get started in your business and let's do it correctly and right. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well. Now, Scalability Pro will teach you how to scale and grow, period. So if you're a beginner entrepreneur or even an expert, you always need to be thinking about growing and scaling, period. And Daniel Kump, which is the creator of this course, he breaks it down very simple and very easy. And right below this video, you can get access to this course and get ready to build your business, get ready to scale your business today. So get access today. Don't wait too long for this, because I don't know how long this course is going to be out here. I'm not sure yet, but I want you to go ahead and dive into this course by clicking on the link below. Now, this review, we're going to be talking about the second part of this course, and we're going to be diving into setting the stage. Now, getting started is really important in terms of your online business. A lot of times when you sign up for a course, or sign up for a program, or sign up for an opportunity, you don't know where to get started. You don't know in terms of getting focused into your business. Now, in this course here, it helps you every step of the way. And my next favorite part of this, after getting started when you're in the business, is creating a weekly budget. Now, before I even began my online business journey, I did not have a weekly budget, which is so important when you're getting started. Now, I was investing into myself and into the course itself or into that program itself, but I wasn't setting any type of a budget, and my finances was all over the place, and I became very overwhelmed and not as structured than I learned after the fact. Now, if you're a beginning entrepreneur, you're in for a treat, because Daniel Kump breaks it down very simple and very easy. And check this out. Right below here, there's a budget PDF you can actually download and print it out and put it on your wall or put it on the table, and you can carry it around with you each and every single time. Now, after the weekly budget, after you watch that video and you really get dived into the content, go to the having a discipline. Having discipline is just as important about setting the budget. And I tell you this, if you're not disciplined in your business, then there's a good chance that business can go down to the ground. I'm telling you, discipline, because you don't have a boss that's going to tell you what to do. You tell yourself what to do, because you are the producer. You are the captain of your own ship. You are the person that's in charge, and you must have discipline in your budget and in your everyday activities, your incoming producing activities. Watch that video. Really, you may want to watch that a few times, because sometimes it takes time for you to really understand something. You need to watch it over and over again. Download the lesson worksheet right there, and then move forward to the next one. Don't move on until you're ready to move on. So watch these videos over and over again if you have to. Now, creating a launch will be next in the setting the stage movement of this tackle course. Now, Scalability Pro, what I love about it I love the whole course, but creating a launch is creating a sense of urgency, and that's what Daniel Kump talks about. Setting the momentum, building the momentum. Really, it really is. You're going to create the launch. You want to be able to market your information. You want to be able to put the word out, and creating that sense of urgency each and every single time you make a launch. Now, this is a 7-minute video, which is packed with information that really going to help you when you start your business and your brand. Now, take these very, very seriously, and it's another download lesson worksheet, which I do love, because you want to be able to follow along each and every single time. So take this completely seriously when you get access to the course. And when you click on the link below, when you do get access to the course, come right to this course lesson here, and go right from welcome and overview, and then go all the way down. But this review is just over setting the stage, and be sure to watch my next review where I'm going to be talking about beginning the process, which is right here. So what I want you to do right now, click on the link below to get access to this course, take action, and I'll see you on the next review.